try this vocoder real fast and make sure it's cool. Yeah, it's dope for me. Let me see, how do I do this? All right, is this right? Hey, what's up, everybody? We're going live, sound check. Last night at the tour, Paradox. Wait, you can't see this shit. I'm sorry, Mama, you can't see that. So, we're going live last night at the tour and checking my vocoder to make sure that it still works. Huh?
Tehran says hello.
Hey, what up, Tehran? One of my favorite vocoders to use is actually out of the Kronos, and you plug the mic into the back and use that patch, and that is your hack of the day. All right, so it's going down. I'm cool, man. Y'all got enough? Okay, I'm cool. So we can go to bass and drums.
I can put it together and then let me know what you want from your monitor.
Okay, cool. So we have to, is the bass line working? The bass channel's working? Okay. Cool.
You don't have it in this monitor, do you?
It's really weird because the COVID restrictions, the capacity is limited, but, I'm thankful, you know what I'm saying, to even be able to come out and play. So. I'll take a little bass as well. Just a little bit, though. Yep, that's great. That's great. So but like I say, because of COVID restrictions, the room capacities are limited, but, we can still come out and play and, have fun. So, Does that make it sideways when I do that? I don't know. I'm grateful for the world. I don't know how this. I feel like the old man in the club, like holding a cell phone and like trying to do it live. This is so weird. What up, Joseph?
Are you good on bass?
Yeah, I think it's cool. Can you kick snare hat? Right? What's my favorite location? Actually, all of it. This has actually been a really dope time. Yep. A little more kick. Right? Y'all straight? Yeah. Hey man. Thank you very much. Y'all, I'm on Instagram Live. Y'all say what's up to everybody.
In Dutch or English? What you want?
Great time. We're good. Yeah, we're good. All right. I'll let y'all later on. I'm gonna go back to the room and eat dinner. Peace.